but are we ready? Everybody here for Titans Cultural Evening 2023. Welcome to the stage, Fuata, Monga, Nei!
Monu tangaloa, monu tangaloa, hake ke pū helangi lunga, hifo ke pū ki lalo whanua, monu, monu, monu tangaloa. Whakaalowhalai atu ki Muturosi from Niue, the Rock of Polynesia. My name is Paul Jessop. I'm pleased to speak to you. Lovely crowd tonight. Thank you to the Titans cultural event organizers for inviting us tonight. My current position in the community, I'm the president for the Niue community here in Queensland. I'm proud to represent our group waiting here to perform tonight. Just a little bit about Niue. If you do not know where Niue is, just picture it in your mind, Australia, New Zealand, north, east, about 3.5 fly on the aeroplane. That's where Niue is. It's neighbor to Tonga, Samoa, and the Cook Islands. Niue, in the graphical shape of the island and the land mass, is a little bit bigger than Rarotonga. That's enough I can tell you. We are New Zealand citizens. We hold New Zealand's passports. We're happy to know tonight that we are about to become Australian citizens. But one thing I can tell you for sure, I'm sorry I'm still an All Black supporter. So thank you very much again tonight. Thank you. We're here to represent and support our Niuean warrior, Isaac Liu. Thank you very much. Pass the time to Jack. Thank you.
Thank you, Paul. Good evening, guys. So just here to acknowledge, like you said, Isaac. As you don't know, Isaac is half Niuean. His dad is from Chiva, Samoa, and his mum is from the village Liku from Niue. So just a little bit about our group, fairly formed a few weeks ago just for this event. My name is Jack Pahiva. I'm from Magifu village in Niue, and I am a coordinator for Niue Sports Queensland here in Brisbane. So we, as Niue Sports Queensland, we started 10 years ago with one touch team, and as of last year we got 17 touch teams, 8 netball teams, 6 league teams. So as a sporting group in Australia, Niue is getting bigger. And so just before I ask Isaac to come up, we'd just like to acknowledge his playing career in the NRL. Like we said, being half Samoan and half Niuean, we kind of, when we talk about him, he's full Niuean. So we always take that 100%, and we'll take it where we can. But just for his playing career, like we said, playing over 200 games, playing 5 tests for Samoa, 8 tests for New Zealand. And a lot of our young boys look up to him, especially the event when he first came out and he was holding the Niuean flag. A lot of us didn't really know he was Niuean. But then afterwards, he was like, oh yeah, that's our cousin. Especially myself, I think he's related to my granddad's mother's nieces. So that's my nephew. So before we perform, I'd just like to ask the group to come on. And then I hope you enjoy our group for tonight, and then I'll ask Isaac to come up a bit later.
Whakalofa lahi atu ke mutulu osi. The Fuata Mongonei, which is made up of young, aspiring Niuean athletes. I invite the selectors of Titans to check out a few of our young lads because they'll be playing for you in a few years. So our group is really excited and really privileged and honoured to be able to present to you tonight a snippet of Niuean culture. We'll commence with the Niuean action song called Hakulima, these hands, Mohuie, these legs. They've raised up Niue. We'll follow that with a beautiful love song performed by our Whiwhine Fuata Fuluola, a beautiful young ladies. And that love song is called Manako Au. In conclusion, our Fuata Toa, our young warriors, will present for you the Niuean war dance called Takalo. But before we invite you to kick back and enjoy our presentation, we ask you all to please be upstanding for the Niuean National Anthem. Thank you.
Manako au ki a koe. Ke kapisinga ata ua. Hakuloto fia. Ke kapisinga ata ua. Hawa mata fuluola. Kua manako o ki ai. Hawa mata fia. Haula ke whakapiki mai. Kokoi ni e fuluola. Mahakua loto ki a koe. Kapisinga ata ua. Ke hoko ke he whakaosianga Ko koe ni e fulu ola Mahaku a loto ki a koe Ka pisinga a taua Ke hoko ke he whakaosianga Tau fia tau hihina mata Neke maha haua loto I waki e tau mana mana tu yeah Kua tuina ke he ka moli foto oh Koko ni e fulu ola Mahaku a loto ki a koe Ka pisinga a taua Ke hoko ke he whakaosianga Koko ni e fulu ola Mahaku a loto ki a koe Ka pisinga a taua Ke hoko ke he whakaosianga Ka pisinga a taua Ke hoko ke he whakaosianga